I just got back from vacation and my fridge looks like a ghost town. Let's go to the store. Alright, so we got some yogurt, some Fairlife, some honey mangoes, bunch of chicken, bunch more chicken, some rice, some soup dumplings, couple avocados, some limes, had a broccoli, some pork gyoza, and of course we had to get some pico and some guacamole. And that is my post-vacation shopping haul. Everything here is low calorie and fits in my diet. We got lots of protein. Yes, even these 270 calories for the whole thing. And the dumplings, can't forget, 230 calories for 7 of them. Don't make yourself miserable. Eat what you like. See you later.